Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do not trust me next time I tell you that there won't be any luxury unboxing videos on my channel soon, because I feel that every time I say that I go and spend more money, and as you can tell I went a bit crazy in Louis Vuitton and I always have an excuse. This time my excuse was that I'll be traveling and I needed some new stuff, and yeah, that's my excuse. So I went crazy in Louis and spent a lot of money, and you can see boxes, so many boxes behind me. There is this humongous bag here next to me that I can't even lift because it's so huge, and yeah, there are dust bags hanging from the ceiling. So if you're interested and want to see what I bought from Louis Vuitton, keep watching. These bright orange boxes make me very happy today because the weather outside is terrible. It's raining and it's dark, so yeah, at least these boxes are brightening up my day today. Alright, let's get started. I think I'll start with the small boxes here. So in this first box, I'll try to be quick because there are so many items that I want to show you, but this is the first item that I picked up, and it came in this small box. Oh, sorry, let me switch off my phone. So it came in this small Louis Vuitton box and this bag that is empty because I'm already wearing the item that was inside here, and it is this gorgeous Louis Vuitton earrings. You might have spotted these gorgeous, fabulous earrings in my recent vlogs. I think one of them should be up before this video and the next one will be coming up after this one. So I'll link the one that's already up, but I already wore these so many times and I'm obsessed. I love them so much. Everyone seems to love them as well. My friends love them, and yeah, they're such a gorgeous pair of statement earrings. I love gold hoops and they go with everything, and I love wearing them more casual or dress them up with these. Like currently I'm wearing this gorgeous white Louis Vuitton shirt, so I can dress them up, but I like to wear them more casual. They're so cool and I love them. These, as far as I remember, were £420. I will link everything down below. I'm not sure if I'll remember how much everything was because, as you can tell, I bought a lot, so I'll try to remember. I have receipts, but I won't be looking for receipts. So yeah, these are the first item. Alright, let's move on. Another small box. Can you guys tell that it stopped raining and it's brightening up? The sky cleared, it's not dark anymore. I'm so happy. So let's see what's inside of this little box. Da, 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 da. So this was a free gift with purchase. They gave me all the beautiful Louis Vuitton fragrances to try. I actually have the same box with fragrances already, and my favorite Louis Vuitton scent is the Roses de Vent. It is so nice and such a beautiful rose fragrance. If you love rose fragrances, definitely try that one out. The rest of the fragrances are very beautiful as well, however they're very heavy and strong for my liking, so my favorite is definitely the Roses one. So that's that. Okay, let's move on. I will continue with this box here. Alright, so let's see what's inside this Louis box here. I have already worn this so many times, well, 3 times. And you saw me wearing this in my last video. So this is my new ready-to-wear piece from Louis Vuitton. I'll just hold it like this, guys, so you can see I tried to box it back the way it was. So this is this gorgeous knitted Louis Vuitton dress, and oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this dress. It is probably one of my best purchases, like ready-to-wear purchases this year. I have already worn it 3 times and I bought it last week, and I want to wear it every day. It is so classic. It's a very classic piece. I love when I buy ready-to-wear pieces because they're so expensive. I like to wear pieces that won't go out of style, and this dress will never date. It will never go out of style. It is such a beautiful classic black knitted dress with the Louis Vuitton writing on it. I believe this is from the Louis Vuitton Icons collection. Correct me if I'm wrong. It is made of, let me check the label actually, but I believe it's wool and cashmere. Okay, so it's actually 100% cashmere dress. It is so soft, so beautiful, so warm. It feels very luxurious. I love the button detail on the shoulder. It has these gorgeous gold buttons. I got this dress in a size medium and it is so flattering on. I love designer clothes. They're so well made. They're definitely worth the investment. If you can afford, if you have the money to splurge, definitely invest in high quality clothes because they will last you forever. And this dress I'm sure will last me forever. It is beautiful and it is the softest cashmere. It is not itchy at all. Definitely have a look at this dress. It is beautiful. Actually, this dress came with the last collection and they brought it back with this collection, and it is increased the price. They increased the price. So before, last season's dress was 1,280. This year they have the same dress in the collection and it is 1,300. So they increased it with £20. But yeah, that is one of my favorite pieces. Let's move on. All right, so I'll continue with this hair that's hanging behind me. So this item was inside this bag here. I took it out and let me just grab it and show you it. All right, so here it is. Here is the dust bag, and as you can see, there are 3 hangers. However, there is only one item in here. I'll explain in a bit. So they gave me this humongous dust bag. Like, guys, can you see how long this is? This is like a dust bag for a gown. It is huge. My friend actually came over the other day and this was hanging here behind me on the mirror, and my friend was like, oh my god, did you buy a suit or a gown from Louis Vuitton? What is this huge dust bag? So yeah, it is huge. But anyway, let's see what's inside. As I mentioned, there are 3 hangers. One of the hangers is for the dress that I just showed you. The other one actually asked for additional hanger. For this top, do you guys remember that I complained because this was an online order that they didn't include a hanger? And I was so upset. I was gonna call customer services and ask if they can send me additional hanger, because I think they should have packed one inside this shirt, because I can't really fold this shirt. It has to be hanged on a beautiful Louis hanger, right? So when I bought the dress and the item that I'll show you in a bit, I asked for additional one and my SA gave me one. That's the one for the dress. And then the third one, oh my god guys, you'll die when you see this. Are you ready? Da, 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 da. Oh my god, look at this. This, guys, is my new beautiful Louis skirt. I love this so much. I actually saw this skirt but in a different color. I believe it was around my birthday and I really fell in love and I wanted to buy it. I believe I vlogged that day and I most probably have it in one of my older vlogs. If I find the footage, I'll insert it for you to have a look at it and see the skirt that I initially saw and fell in love with. It was in the most gorgeous khaki color with white LVs on it. So when my SA brought me this one to try on, I was like, come on, what are you doing to me? What are you doing to my bank account right now? So I actually went just to buy the dress, but my SA insisted that I try on some more clothes. She was like, I have so many items that I want to show you. I'll bring you some more for you to try. I really didn't want to look at and try on other clothes and look at other items from Louis Vuitton because I love their ready-to-wear so much, and I knew if I started trying on more stuff, I was gonna buy something. I knew it was dangerous, but at the end she convinced me and she brought a pile. Like I don't think I filmed this bit because I vlogged it that day, but she came back with so many clothes and I was like, no, I'm definitely not trying all of them. I'll just pick 1 or 2 and try them on. So I picked a poncho that you'll see in my next video, and when I saw this, I was like, yeah, I have to try this on. And so I did. I don't know if it was a mistake. to be honest, it wasn't. I don't regret buying this because I love it. I think it's such a classic piece. It is in the most gorgeous classic monogram print with like the brown LV monogram print on it. So again, it's very classic and I can wear this forever and I really don't regret buying it. It was quite pricey. It is £1,090, but again, I can keep and wear forever, so I don't regret getting this. If you've watched my previous vlog that's already up, that I keep mentioning, okay, I'll stop. But if you've watched that video, you must have spotted the exact skirt in a different color. They brought it back in this collection, the Cruise 2020 collection, in the most gorgeous navy color, and I kind of want to buy it, but no. I'll try not to. Alright, so next I actually took this here that I'll show you in a bit from one of the bags, but before I show you this, I'm gonna leave this last and show you this last because I want to show you something else first. I'm just thinking, how should I show you this? Like how? Let me try and like lift it because the bag is really huge. Okay, let me go back. Next, guys. Does it even fit on the screen? Okay, let me just leave it on the floor. I have no idea how I'm gonna show you this because it's so big and bulky, but I'll try. It's been on my wish list for the longest time, and if you've watched my wish list videos, you probably know what's in here. Okay. Oh no, it's the other way around. Hold on, that's the back of it. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Look at this. Yoshi actually came. He got worried. He was like, what is going on? Hi Yoshi. He got worried. He was like, why is she screaming? Is she in danger? This, guys, okay, I'll just put it down now. So I don't hold it like this. I'll put it down. Alright, so what can I say? I told you guys that I had an excuse for buying so many things. I told you that I was getting ready for my trip. And also in my last wishlist video, I told you that I'll be buying this very soon. Like next time I'm traveling, I'll be getting this piece. This has been such a dream. I've been wanting one of these babies for so long and I finally have it and it makes me so happy. Actually now looking at it and how beautiful and new it is, I don't want to use it. I just want to keep it and like, I don't know, display it somewhere in my home. But I'll use it. I'll just use it. I'm traveling in a few days and I'll try to be extra careful with it. I really wanted to hot stamp my initials on the luggage tag, but the guy who was doing that wasn't there because I bought this quite late. I think I bought it at like 8 o'clock in the evening after the event. So yeah, the guy wasn't there. I'm gonna go back after my trip and get it hot stamped so it's ready for my next trip. So this is the beautiful luggage. I got the Horizon 55. This is the larger size, but it still fits perfectly in the compartments, like in the airplanes. So it's the perfect carry-on size and it is so beautiful. It is so luxurious. I will insert some close-up footage so you can see all the beautiful details. I will show you it inside as well. It is it has been like such a dream and I finally have it and I'm so happy. Like I really don't know what else to say. I'm so happy. I think I paid £2,050 if I'm not wrong, but everything will be linked down below so you can check prices. If you go to the official Louis Vuitton website, you can check the prices there. Alright, and the last item, I can see that my camera will overheat any minute now, so I have to do this quick. The last item is in here. By the way, I didn't get the huge box for the suitcase. They asked me if I wanted the huge box or just a dust bag. I told them I just wanted a dust bag because I literally have so many boxes now. I don't have anywhere to keep them, so I didn't get the box. And the same with this one, this next item, I didn't want the box because I don't have anywhere to store these boxes. I have so many of them, so I just store them to give me this bag. So this is, you will think I'm crazy, this is so extra, but again, in my wishlist video, this was in my wishlist video, and I told you that if I get the suitcase, I will also get the most extra accessory for it. The bag holder. I will show you, I will insert a picture so you can see what this actually does. But yeah, I ended up getting this very overpriced bag holder, but it is so stunning. Like I had to get it. Like I'm already spending so much on a suitcase. What is another £200-300 on a bag holder, right? I'm joking, I know that's ridiculous, but I really wanted it. So yeah, that's the last item in this haul, and this is how it opens up and closes. You just pull it up slightly, and yeah, that's that. Alright guys, that's all. Oh my god, I really hope you guys enjoyed this massive Louis Vuitton haul. I am so obsessed with Louis Vuitton. I actually requested some more items to be transferred because they were out of stock in my size. So yeah, I don't know what else to say, but this probably won't be my last Louis Vuitton unboxing video. So I'm going away for 2 weeks, and when I'm back from my holiday, my SA promised that they'll have some of the items, because it's not just one, for me to have a look at and see if I want it. I love all the pieces that I picked up. I think this is probably one of my most favorite luxury unboxings that I did this year. I love all the pieces, and I finally got my dream luggage from Louis Vuitton. Let me know which one was your favorite piece that I picked up. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to come follow me on my other social media platforms. You can find me here on my Instagram, which is also linked down below. You can come follow me here and get some outfit of the day inspo. I show you my new purchases, how I style them, so if you're interested and want to see how I style this gorgeous skirt and the beautiful Louis Vuitton knitted dress, you can come follow me here, because I'll definitely upload outfit pictures with these beautiful ready-to-wear pieces. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future Louis Vuitton unboxings or luxury vlogs or other unboxing videos. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'm rambling now. Lots of kisses, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys! I forgot to quickly show you my illustration from the event, so some of you might have already seen this, but if you haven't watched my previous video with the collection preview, the Cruise 2020 collection preview, I want to show you this. But the video will be linked down in the description box. But this is the illustration. This is actually me. It was so much fun doing this. I got to pick my outfit. I chose the Monogram belt with the dress from the new Cruise collection, or I believe that's from the Icons collection. I was wearing my hoop earrings that I showed you in this whole video, and my hair up on a ponytail. I think he did an amazing job. I'll link his Instagram handle down below. The guy was awesome. Thank you so much, Connor. My illustration is so beautiful, and look at that, I'm also wearing the Louis Vuitton Monogram boots. How cool.